Whenever a snake finds a bird's eggs, it eats them without burping, but it cannot do anything to this bird's eggs even if it wants to, because the penduline makes its nest hanging on the branch of a tree so that no predator can reach there even if it wants to. But even if a snake somehow reaches its nest, it does not find the eggs in the nest because the nest is empty from inside, but only for the snake, because the eggs are in the nest but are not visible to the snake. And this is because there are two entrances to the nest, from which one can go to two different rooms, where the bird makes one room specially to fool the snake, which is empty and its path is always open. While the second room, whose entrance is hidden, the baby birds remain safe in that room because the snake does not know that there is a secret room in the nest.